unit I think unit 6. I wrote unit 5. It's unit 6. Okay. Unit 6, 4. In this unit, we'll be talking about political events after Sugoli Treaty. So, for knowing about Sugoli Treaty, political event after Sugoli Treaty, first of all, we have to know about what is Sugoli Treaty, why was it signed, what was the condition before the Sugoli Treaty in your country, why the Sugoli Treaty, the condition of signing the Sugoli Treaty had come, what was the background for the war, no? These things we have to learn. So here, we'll be talking about your friends are coming. Wait for a while, okay? Wait for a while. Still coming. Internet problem of some student. In this lesson, we'll be talking about what does Sugoli Treaty mean? Yes? And what are the causes of Sugoli Treaty? And what are the consequences of Sugoli Treaty? And how was political condition during that timing? And what were the main political events which has taken place after Sugoli Treaty? These things we'll be learning in this lesson, okay? So, I hope everybody have come. Who is this Toshiba? No one is, no? Toshiba is the name of laptop or what? तोसिबालाई म गर्दिन आफ्नै नाममा आउनु भनेको छ तिमीलाई धेरैचोटी हाम्रो सेक्सन लेखेर आउने भनेछ तोसिबा सोसिबा भन्यो भने त कसरी भन्ने त ल तिमीले have you heard about Sugoli Treaty? Yes. Yes. No. So Srijana, you know or what have you heard about it? Just if you mistaken also doesn't matter. Treaty means Sandhi. Yes. So what is Sugoli Treaty? I'm asking them. Have you ever heard or not? You might have heard about Anglo-Nepal War.
Between British and
yes, between East India Company or British India Company and Nepal. Okay, that is the war between East India Company and Nepal. And to end the war, when negotiation was taken place, the certain treaty has to be signed. No, so that is called Sugoli Treaty. Okay. So this is what the Sugoli Treaty is. Also spelled out Sugoli. No, the treaty established the boundary line of Nepal, and this treaty had identified the specific boundary of Nepal towards India, 3 sides, and was signed on September 1815 and ratified by 4th March 1816. That means again signed, and this treaty has been signed in between East India Company and Nepal on behalf of Nepal. Rajguru Gajraj Mishra signed. Rajguru Gajraj Mishra with Chandrasekhar Upadhyay signed, and from the Anglo side, General Akhtar Loni, I think they signed the treaty. So this treaty had ended the Anglo-Nepal War, which was taken place in 1814 to 1816. Yes. And
त्यो बेला लिपुले नेपाल
लिपु लेक नेपालमै थियो।
Thank you, ma'am.
नेपालमा 1962 सम्म लिपु लेक नेपालको नक्सामा थियो। पनि छ, नेपालले चुप लागेर बस्नु हुँदैन थियो नि त हैन। तिमीलाई पिक्चर पनि देखाउँ। And this tree, they represent Nepalese surrenders to the Britishers and contain that Nepal's territory to the different side. So Nepal was reached up to Sikkim, no, up to Kumaon Garhwal, Uttarakhand, up to near the to the south. This is the how the Sugoi Treaty was ratified formally in 4th March 1816 and decided the territory of Nepal. But in the time of Janga Bahadur Rana, the 4 places were returned back to Nepal. Banke, Bardia, Koilali, Kanchanpur were the 4 places which were happily returned back by the Britishers to Janga Bahadur, because Janga Bahadur had pleased the British in much way. So why the Sugoi Treaty was fought? Now we're going to talk about that. Okay, causes of Sugoi Treaty. What were the causes of Sugoi Treaty? The unification of our country was continued up to Bahadur Shah timing. No, after Bahadur Shah, Palpa was also after Bahadur Shah, Bhimsen Thapa, on behalf of King Grivan Yudha Vikram Shah, he also annexed Palpa. Palpa was annexed by Bahadur Shah also, but Palpa had become independent again. Later on, Bhimsen Thapa, under the kingship of Yudha Vikram Shah, unified Palpa. So, there are various causes of Sugoi Treaty. Among them, we'll be discussing about political cause, military cause, economic cause, geographical cause, and immediate cause. Yes? When we talk about political cause. So, do you understand Sugoi Treaty बुझ्यो हैन? बुझ्यो कि बुझेन? बुझ्यो नि है? Sugoi Treaty चाहिँ किन त्यसलाई Sugoi Treaty भनेको, एङ्ग्लो नेपाल वार एन्ड गर्ने ट्रिटीलाई किन Sugoi Treaty भनेको भन्दाखेरि त्यो ट्रिटी त्यसमा गरिएको भएर Sugoi Treaty भनेको है त. बुझ्यो हैन? अब we are going to describe about the causes of this treaty. East India Company wanted to control not only India but whole of South Asia and beyond South Asia. East India Company was the British imperialism. British imperialism भएको भएर उसले कन्ट्रीहरुमा पनि आफ्नो कोलोनी खडा गर्नलाई चाहिरहेको थियो. इन्डिया मात्र होइन, अरु बियोन्ड इन्डिया, बियोन्ड साउथ एसिया, हैन, अफ्रिकामा पनि अलमोस्ट. The British imperialism from the time of Prithviraj Shah also disliked to invite any foreigners towards Nepal. Only for his motive, he brought some of the Muslim expertise to make an ammunition and to train his army. But rather, he disliked the people to enter inside Nepal. उसले कसैलाई पनि आउन नदिने भन्ने पोलिसी थियो पृथ्वीनारायण शाहले. आफू हामी नेपालीहरु हामी आफै इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट भएर बस्ने र आफ्नो कन्ट्री आफैले चलाउने, त्यस्तो थट थियो उसको. सो पृथ्वीनारायण शाहकै पोलिसीलाई एडप्ट गरेर British Thapa was completely against the British. He had even tried to form an alliance with some Indians like Maratha, Punjab, Gwalior, etc., and had also appealed to all Asian countries to influence एजियन कन्ट्रीहरुमा पर्नु हुँदैन यसको अगेन्स्टमा हामी एक हुनुपर्छ अलायन्स बनाउनुपर्छ ग्रुप बनाउनुपर्छ यदि कसैले ब्रिटिशर्सले अथवा कुनै वेस्टर्न कन्ट्रीहरुले एजियन कन्ट्रीहरुलाई आफ्नो सुप्रिमेसीमा राख्न चाह्यो भने आफ्नो अन्डरमा राख्न चाह्यो भने त्यसको अगेन्स्टमा हामीले अलायन्स बनाएर ग्रुप बनाएर फाइट गर्नुपर्छ यिनीहरुसँग भन्ने भीमसेन थापाको थर्ड थियो सो ही ह्याड सेन्ड द लेटर टु द दिज countries Maratha Gwalior Punjab हैन and asks for the unity alliance जस्तै मराठामा ब्रिटिशहरुले अट्याक गर्यो भने नेपालले गर्ने अरु ग्वालियर पन्जाबले पनि हेल्प गर्ने त्यस्तो अलायन्स बनाउने के कुरा बुझ्यो हैन यसरी भीमसेन थापाले चाहिँ ब्रिटिशहरुको अगेन्स्टमा अरु कन्ट्रीहरुलाई पनि युनाइटेड बनाउन खोजेको भएर ब्रिटिशहरु त obviously रिसाउने भए हैन And at the same time, the defeated kings of Baise and Chobise state, who were defeated by Prithviraj Shah and his unification campaign, in the unification campaign, they have gone to India and taken shelter over there. And this defeated king, they were trying to regain their power. They were trying to regain their country, get their country back with the support of British government. British was powerful. So they also impose or motivate Britishers to attack Nepal. किन नेपालको विषयमा भित्री कुराहरु उनीहरुले सबै ब्रिटिशहरुलाई खोल्दै गए यस्तो यस्तो छ किनभने उनीहरु त यहाँ वर्षौंदेखि शासन गरेर गएको हैन ब्रिटिशहरुलाई के गरेर प्लिज गरायो भने यदि हामीले तिमीलाई गर्यौं भने चाहिँ तिमीले हाम्रो राज्य हामीलाई फिर्ता दिनुपर्छ भन्ने किसिमले पोलिटिकली यसरी पोलिटिकल कजको कारणले गर्दाखेरि सुगौली के रे एङ्ग्लो नेपाल वार हुन गयो पोलिटिकल कज अफ एङ्ग्लो नेपाल वार सुगौली ट्रिटी होइन पोलिटिकल कज अफ एङ्ग्लो नेपाल वार है अब अर्को छ मिलिटरी कज बोथ नेपाल एन्ड इन ब्रिटिश इन्डिया कम्पनी वेयर अटेम्प्टिङ टु एक्सपान्ड देयर टेरिटरी नेपाल वाज अल्सो एक्सपान्डिङ इट्स टेरिटरी फ्रम द टाइम अफ गोर्खा इम्पेरियलिजम सो देयर वर क्लास अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट उनीहरुको इन्ट्रेस्ट पनि त्यही थियो ब्रिटिशहरुको इन्ट्रेस्ट पनि त्यही थियो नेपालीहरुको गोर्खालीहरुको इन्ट्रेस्ट पनि त्यही थियो त्यही भएर यिनीहरुको इन्ट्रेस्ट के भयो त जुड्यो हैन क्लास अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट कुरा बुझेको बुझेन being an imperialist power obviously did not like to see Nepal expanding power Nepal's expanding power British त एकदमै पावरफुल उनीहरुले त नेपाल यस्तो सानो झिनो मुलुकको राइजिङ पावर त देख्नै चाहदैन थियो डेफिनेटली देख्न चाहदैन थियो सो ब्रिटिश इन्डियाले के खोजिराखेको थियो भने अब के न्यू पाऊ हाउ टु स्पार्क द फायर अफ वार हैन द ब्रिटिश इन्डिया wanted somehow to check Nepal's adventurism and assert its influence over it. नेपालको राइजिङ पावरको चेक गर्न खोजिरहेको थियो इभन क्याप्टेन किनलक र क्याप्टेन नक नेतृत्वमा ब्रिटिशहरुले चाहिँ नेपालमा सम्झौता पनि गर्न खोजेको थियो नेपाललाई ओभर पावर गरेर यसै आफ्नो अन्डरमा राख्न पनि खोजेको थियो तर भीमसेन थापा did not let any Britisher to enter inside. Neither he like to enter को त कुरै छोड्दो उले ब्रिटिशहरुसँग कुनै सन्धि सम्झौता फ्रेन्डशिप के पनि नगर्ने भने भीमसेन थापाले कुरा बुझिरहेको छ हैन अब अहिले पनि and the Britishers very well knew that control over Nepal means significant economic and political influence across the Himalayas. All नेपालमा कन्ट्रोल ल्याउनु भनेकै उनीहरुले इकोनोमिक र पोलिटिकल आफ्नो पोलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएन्स र इकोनोमिक बेनिफिट्स ब्रिटिशहरुलाई हुन्थ्यो नेपालमा मात्र हैन अरु हिमालयन ल्यान्डको सबै कन्ट्रीहरुलाई पाकिस्तान पनि इन्डियाकै पार्ट थियो त्यतिबेला हैन इन्डिया पाकिस्तान त 1947 मा न सेपरेट भएको हो जब ब्रिटिशहरुले छोडेर गए अनि यतापट्टि हिमालयन रिजनको सबै एरियामा आफ्नो कन्ट्रोल हुन्थ्यो भन्ने कुरा उनीहरूलाई थाहा थियो ब्रिटिसहरूलाई बिसाइड द्याट ब्रिटिसहरू एकदम कुल नाइस क्लाइमेटबाट आएको हैन त्यस भएर उनीहरूलाई नेपालको क्लाइमेट पनि मन पर्ने नेचुरल ब्युटीले पनि एकदम नेपालको अनि लाइक बिसाइड द्याट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस विच वर फाउन्ड इन नेपाल अहिले इन्डियाले नेपाललाई किन आफ्नो कन्ट्रोलमा राखिरहेको छ आफ्नो पावरमा अन्डर राखिरहेको छ थाहा छ तिमीलाई किनभने इन्डियालाई नेपालको पानीसँग लोभ छ पानी चाहिन्छ उनीहरूलाई कुरा बुझेन सो ब्रिटिश वर अल्सो हाइली अट्र्याक्टेड बाई द नेचुरल ब्युटी क्लाइमेट रिसोर्सेस फरेस्ट टिम्बर माइन वाटर स्पेसली अफ आवर कन्ट्री हैन त्यस भएर गएर उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ नेपालमा एट्याक गर्नुपर्ने इच्छा लागेको अहिले हामीले कुन कज भन्यौं भन त पोलिटिकल कजमा के भन्यौं हामीले कसले भन्ने ल एकचोटि रिभ्यू गरौँ त कसले भन्ने म ल भन त कृष्ण भन त कृष्ण भन त
Ma'am, can I tell of geographical causes?
कृष्णले जियोग्राफिकल भन्ने मैले पोलिटिकल झन् स्लाइड देखाइदिरहेको छु ल त्यसपछि अर्को कसले भन्छ भने नि निलमले भन ल निलमले भन पोलिटिकल
Okay, ma'am.
ल भन
British want to control not only India but whole South Asian and including Nepal, but Nepal was against British, and our Prime Minister Bhimsen Thapa also did not like British, and he did not allow British to come in Nepal, and he did not make any friendship over them also. And Nepal Prime Minister Bhimsen Thapa made a group with alien group with Indian, some of the states of Indian like Maratha, Punjab, and to rule to against the British. And
त्यति हो अनि डिफिटेड किङहरुको बारेमा पनि भन निलम डिफिटेड किङहरुको बारेमा पनि भन निलम 22 and 24 kings see the last point
at the same man
last point banana
the defeated kings of Baise and Chobise stayed had taken the shelter in India with the support of British government, were they trying to regain their power?
Yeah, power or country, right? अब अर्को गुड भेरी गुड अब अर्को मिलिटरी कज कसले भने देउला तिमी भन त खोइ त सुभाष बोलेन त छैन क्लासमा छैन ओपन मात्रै गरेर बसे हो सुभाष तिमी नबोल्यो भने के गर्ने भनेको छ म्यामले थाहा छ कि छैन मैले आक्स गरिरहेको छु भिडियो खोल गरेर भनेर सुभाष देउला अप्रिल श्रेष्ठ भन त ल छ त्यहाँ भन बाबु यिनीहरू त पढ्दैन म्यामले मात्रै पढाउने हो तिमीहरू नपढ्ने द कसले भन्ने कसले भन दियाले अस्ति प्यारेन्ट्सलाई फोन गर्न लाऊ भन्ने गरेन दिया भन ल दिया तिमीले आज पनि भिडियो अन गरेछैनौ मिस दिया तिमी भन न अधिकारी स्लाइड देखाइदिइरहेको छु त्यो पनि भन्न सक्दैनौ उनीहरू त बोल्दैन आर यु लिसनिङ टु मी यु अल आर लिसनिङ टु मी अर नट
Yes, ma'am.
कसले भन्ने एकजनाले भन त
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सुनेकै छैन जस्तो लाग्यो ल भन त कसले भन्ने मिलिटरी पावरको बारेमा भन ल उत्सव दङ्गाल ल भन
जे छ त्यही भन्ने हो
भन तिमीलाई मैले के बुझेछौ मोडिफाई गरेर भन न ल भन
मिलिटरी कज
तिम्रो भिडियो पनि अन गर न बाबु अनि मैले हेर्न पनि पाउँछु नि ल भन
Both Nepal and British India Company were attempting to expand their territories, so there were clashes of interests. The British India began an imperialist power.
Being an imperialist है
Being an imperialist power obviously didn't like to see Nepal expanding power. The British East India wanted somehow to check Nepal's adventurism and assert its influence over it. Prime Minister Bhimsen Thapa rejected to sign any friendship treaty and the British. Rather, he carried out military reforms and raised a strong military. Made the British think Nepal as a great threat to their empire and ultimately led to the Anglo War.
Very good. तिमीले बुझ्न पनि बुझ्यौ ती पढेको मात्रै हो बुझेको छौ कि छैनौ
बुझेको छ
ल इकोनोमिक कसले भने इकोनोमिक कज देखाइदिए मैले ल इकोनोमिक कज कसले भने भन इकोनोमिक कज It has a good territory of Tarai, Kathmandu Valley, fertile land, Tarai. हैन यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि के भन्छ at that timing Nepal was economically sound and socially quite stable. And Nepal was also benefited with between India and Tibet. India Tibet trade Nepal was highly benefited. That's why the money or even then the military power of that time. The East India Company also wanted to sell their products in Nepal. East India Company ले आफ्नो प्रोडक्टको मार्केट नेपालमा बनायो भने त नेपालबाट पैसा जाने भयो नि त उलाई हैन एक्सपोर्ट गर्यो भने त they also wanted direct trade with Tibet through Nepal, but Nepal did not like. बुझ्यो कि बुझेन? At that time, Nepal was economically so strong and socially also stable. So, independent never had been dependent upon any other country, but nowadays we have to depend upon other country for even for the food stuff which require for the people. We cannot grow ourselves, even though being an agriculture oriented country also, we import agricultural item. बुझ्यो हैन? But all those were not possible. British desires were not possible because the anti-British policy was adopted by our country, which led to the war. के गर्यो त वारलाई स्पार्क गर्यो. भन त जियोग्राफिकल कज. Krishna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Student पनि छ. ल बोल्न त तिम्रो जियोग्राफिकल कज भन त.
Ma'am, that British did not like the Gorkha because they were very strong. Gorkha Nepalese people were very strong, and if British knew that if they win Nepal, then it would be very beneficial to them. They were very attracted by the climate of Nepal and even by its natural beauty and the resources. There was much more like timber, mine, water, etc. Nepal.
No, they were lured by the attractive natural beauty of our country and climatic condition, and they even were attracted and likely to capture the natural resources of Nepal, which was Nepal was very rich resources. त्यति बेला त हामी केटाकेटी हुँदाखेरि भन्ने चलन थियो वन नेपालको धन भनेर. वन जंगल हैन, timber mine, water, the natural resources we are very rich. Attendance आयो तिमीहरुकोमा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
अब एकजनाले इकोनोमिक कज भन न त. सुदीप थापाले भन न त इकोनोमिक कज. सुदीप तिमी भन त. खै त नभन्ने हो. प्रमिसा रेग्मीले भन त. मैले त कस्तो दुःख गरेर राति बसेर दुईटा क्लासको स्लाइड, दुईटा लेसन स्लाइड पढाउँछु बुझाउँछु भने तिमीहरु बोलेन भने त टिचर्स कसरी मोटिभेट हुन्छ पढाउनलाई. खर आएर टाप पढाइदिने है तिमीलाई. ल हुन्छ बोल्दैन. ल म तिमीहरुको आज अमेरिकादेखिको होमवर्कहरु सबै चेक गरेर हाल्दिन्छु. अनि होमवर्क गरिसकेपछि मात्रै अर्को लेसनको होमवर्क हाल्दिन्छु. ल राम्रोसँग पढ है. बुकहरु पनि पढ. सेकेन्ड टर्म एक्जाम पनि अब मङ्सिरको लास्टमा हुन्छ कि अब के भनेछ के केही भनेछ न. राम्रोसँग पढ. आज दुई लास्ट अफ के हो लास्ट अफ दिस मन्थ भनेछ. ल अब अर्को कुरा के इम्पोर्टेन्ट तिमीलाई के सोध्नु छ?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.